Hey everybody, we got a lot of feedback asking for some investment products available in the US. We finally found a stablecoin that gives you 14% annually and is accessible from the States. Neutrino Dollars or USDN runs on the Ethereum blockchain and is backed by Waves. We have just opened an account and like to show you how everything works. When you are on the Waves exchange website, you head over to Investments. Here you can stake 3 different assets: USDN, other stablecoins, or Waves. In this video, we will only focus on Neutrino Dollars, but feel free to check out the other staking options. If we click Stake USDN, that brings us to a comparison between bank deposits and staking. I was convinced before that keeping money in the bank only benefits the banks. The interest that they pay you is ridiculous in my opinion. If they pay you 1% interest, that is less than the rate of inflation. That means you lose money if you put your money in a bank account. You can find all the other benefits of staking in this chart. And there is a calculator where you can put in the amount of USDN that you'd like to stake. In this example, if we stake 25,000 Neutrino Dollars, we would get almost $10 daily, $294 monthly, and $3,500 per year. Note that the interest rate can go down when you do your calculations. Of course, you have to ask yourself how risky it is to put your money on this platform. Considering that it is backed by Waves, we think the risk is low. Waves has been around since 2016 and the exchange has not ever been hacked. You can also connect it with your ledger for an extra level of security. They also have a short presentation video. Let's watch it together, and after we will stake some USDN.
How can you earn passive income on Waves Exchange? You just need to obtain Neutrino Dollar and stake it. You'll get daily rewards for locking USDN in the Neutrino smart contract. Neutrino Dollar always costs $1, which means you won't lose out if the market fluctuates. USDN staking is a little like a bank deposit, but even safer. Your funds are always under your own control, and you can withdraw them at any moment without losing your accrued income. The returns are also much higher for Neutrino. How do you get started? You can buy USDN without paying any fees using bank deposit or any bank card, Visa, MasterCard, or Mir. You can also exchange USDN for any other popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ether, Waves, and so on. So, you can join the world of decentralized finance with no fees charged. How do you buy Neutrino Dollar with a card? Push the buy button. Enter the amount you wish to spend on USDN. When buying USDN with a bank card, you'll be required to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the instructions on the AdviCash service, check your email, and go through the verification process. Once your funds have been credited to your account, click the deposit button to lock the desired amount of USDN in the smart contract. Done. You will then receive daily payments in USDN according to the figure displayed on the left. You can withdraw your returns or add them to your locked stake. If you cancel staking, you won't lose any returns already earned. You can withdraw the full amount at any moment. Remember, nobody but you has access to your funds. If you are stuck or have any questions, please contact our customer service.
I have decided to stake some USDN. So let's move on and click Stake Now. To fund your account, you have 2 options. Send crypto to your wallet or buy USDN with your credit card. If you send crypto, then you don't have to pass any KYC. That's very convenient. But I like to try using my credit card and see if there really aren't any fees or spread. It still says 0 fees, but let's deposit $1,000 and see how much is charged to my credit card. I've put in my credit card information and checked my statement. I only paid $1,000. So there really aren't any hidden fees. That's great. Now, let's stake the 1,000 USDN. My account was credited with 1,000 USDN. Now we simply have to deposit this amount in the staking pool. That's all we have to do, and we will receive daily payouts. The interest rate already went down a little bit, so don't expect it to stay this high forever. Eventually, it will go down to around 12% in my opinion. In general, we think it's a good idea to diversify between stablecoins. Have some Tether, True USD, and Neutrino Dollars. Also, don't have all your funds in one place. Lower the risk by putting it in different places. If you like to try USDN and the Wave Exchange, we've put the link in the description. Please like and subscribe for more content. We will see you in the next video.